Check, check. Hey, yeah. Check. All right. Let's get some people in here real quick. Try to get a couple people in here to talk to. Check, check. Hey, yeah. Check. Here real quick. Try to get a couple people in here to talk to. Yo, yo, brother. Yo, yo, brother. Got like 10 minutes here before I gotta go to work. So I'm gonna try to run through some shit real quick.
Pops, how you doing, buddy?
Good, brother, good.
Good. You throwing up a space here to talk about Fractalized Idols, right?
Yeah,
It's your latest collection?
yeah, just for a quick second. I had like a couple minutes. I've been up for like 10 minutes, but you're the only one to pop in so far. So, fucking, yeah, I'm gonna just run through it real quick. I'll show you like kind of how I created it and the code behind it and some shit real quick. So,
Yeah, I love that, man.
I don't know if you're on the YouTube link, but that's where I'm sharing my screen and whatnot.
I'll head over there right away, buddy. I'll be over there in like 30 seconds here. The YouTube link is inside of this chat?
Yeah, should be in
Drop
the
it.
comments.
Okay, I'm gonna head over there right now. One sec here.
Yeah, buddy. Back to the code.
Yeah, I'm just booting up right now. Let me check it out here.
Yeah. Chaz in here. Yeah, buddy.
A legend. What's up, Chaz? I can't stay for too long, or I'm in trouble. I got some work I gotta do for Chaz. I'm already in the doghouse.
No, me too. I literally have like 7 minutes before I gotta bounce for work, so it's gonna be a real quick
Okay.
run through.
Yeah, I'm just pulling it up right now.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Good. Okay.
They're really cool, man. I was shocked at like how detailed they were. Sorry, this laptop's a little slow. I got my other one coming back here in a couple of days.
Yeah. No, yeah, the fucking it's all just like the code. Like I got like the code to do it pretty good for me. I used obviously like ChatGPT to like help me write the code a little bit, but I like tweaked the main like variables in there and added some stuff like mainly for the traits, like the shape color, the background color, the complexity, and the power. So like I initially had it like power level 1 through 10, but that was like too much. Like anything over power level 7 was like taking forever to like render. It was like too much for the code. So I set it from like 3 to 7 are the possible like outcomes. And then the other tricky thing I had problems with was like getting the scale right. Like it says up here create canvas 2000 by 2000, but the output is actually 4000 by 4000. I don't know what the hell, like how it doubled, but the total pixels is 4000 by 4000 in this like coded what is it, a JPEG, and you hit the S key to save it like once it runs. So I'm using this prohibition.art website here, and it's for like specifically for generative art, so you can like put code in there and like it's supposed to be to build drops on their website, and they like their whole like marketplace and like what's it called, auction website and whatever. But there's like two ends of it. There's the art script and the feature script. The feature script is mainly for like these features, the traits down here, so that they show up with the metadata or whatever. And it bases it off of the like the seed phrase so that it's repeatable. So
this is really cool.
So you just refresh and it gives you different traits every time, obviously. And I was having problems too with this preview window. Like the preview window doesn't show it how it fully is, even when you open it up. It's like only half of it, but you hit the S key on your keyboard and then it saves it as like what it's supposed to be. So I was just using that to like get my outputs basically. And so there's like what it is. That one came up complexity 7. And so the complexity is the shape sides. So it's a 7-sided shape, which is a what heptagon or whatever. Yeah, heptagon I think. And then the power level is like how fractalized it is, like how many like iterations I guess of the shapes or something. So like that one was a 5. This one is a 4. It's a little like less complex. And I'll run another one. We'll see.
Yeah, I had no idea how incredibly complex these were until I saw that video with LCD the other day. I was blown away, man.
Yeah, and that one was even like the AI version. So yeah, basically what I'll do is I ran it for 20 iterations and like sorted the iterations by their stats basically, like over here in the folder. So like the highest ones closest to number 1 are like the highest like power and complexity, like more like 7 7s and 7 5, 7 4, 7 3, 6 7. So I did 20 iterations and then I paired them with AI like versions also, because my idea for the like collection was to try to like have a collection that has AI and code in it and have the like the collectors kind of like trade to see the ones that they want to get and like hopefully like choose either AI or code that they like better, or like another idea that I had was to try to like have the collectors like get their pair, like say if you got like Fractal 1, the coded version, like try to seek out like your pair, like the AI version of that Fractal 1, and then it would be more valuable because they're like paired together, So real quick, I'll show you how I run through making the AI version of the fractals. Basically on this imagine.art website, you do, instead of text to image, you do an image remix and upload one of the ones that I just made. So I'll do Fractal 6 here. Down. Fractal 6. So then open and then crop it so it fits right. And then I gave it some prompts, and the prompts that I gave it were like, I'm pretty sure I did mimetic, radiant, sparkling, metallic, embossed. And then the model I did V1, image strength I think I did like low-ish, like mid like 40s to 50s, so that it like resembles the shape and the structure of it. And then the CFG scale, this is like how close to the prompt it is. I put that up a little higher, like 11-ish or so. And then generate. And it takes a couple seconds here, but it should pop out something decent. Yeah, see, and there you go. And then I just upscale to make it the higher quality. Come on.
It's really cool that you're laying out the recipe for this too, so other people can kind of follow in your footsteps, man. This is awesome.
Yeah, for sure. Like, I want people to play with it, make their own stuff. So here's that one to this one. This one influenced this output. So that was the whole gist of it. And then I just made, the pairs, the AI pairs, and 40 total. And I actually have the CSV for it. Like once they all fully mint out, LCD, Last Crypto Dog, he said that there was like a problem with the metadata. The same thing with the hipsters, where it's like showing that they're all the same on OpenSea right now. Once they all mint out, I guess it's gonna update the metadata, and they will be their respective, like what they're supposed to be with their traits and everything. Because he like he like
that green.
he set up the like main mint contract and like deployed it on OpenSea and everything, because just so it was under that Canvas's project and whatnot. But yeah.
It's
Also,
beautiful, man. It's a beautiful piece.
oh,
Really beautiful piece.
thank you. Also, with the CHOPSFAM thing too, and the loyalty tokens, I did add it to the rewards for the CHOPSFAM. So anyone who mints will get, I think it's 200 CHOPSFAM tokens. And this is like something that I saw from a buddy of mine that I am like familiar with through the Marble Cards family. This dude Wizard OX, he started this up like a few weeks ago through this thing called Pools, Pools.io, and it's like you can make your own reward token basically. And I hit them up and asked to get onboarded early or whatever, get early access, and they got right back to me and set it up, and it's pretty nice. It didn't cost anything. And so here's like how you can get rewarded on base. All of my collections reward you in some way. Like the Keeper Jeep collection is an XL. The webs and the crown are XL. What else do we have here? My Bible on base is a large, and I think large is 200. I think XL is 500. And then let me go back to Ethereum. Yeah, Fractalized Idols is in there for large. So whoever holds at least one will get 200 of the CHOPSFAM tokens. And it's not like the most usual like meme tokens. It's just a rewards token for now. Like you can't trade it, you can't like transfer it or anything until a little bit later. Like they're still working on this platform, getting it up and going, and they said like there's something that says that you will be able to trade it eventually. I'm not sure how it's going to work, but yeah, it's basically just to try to give you guys some little more value for what you support for me. And also I sent Aurora, I don't know if that code worked. Did you try that code out? That little
No, I haven't yet, man. I was in a space till pretty late last night, and then woke up. We have a house full of dogs right now. It's a wild life, but I will. Where did you send that to me? I apologize, man. I don't think I saw it.
Telegram.
Oh, okay, that's right. Yes. Sorry.
Yeah,
Apologize,
so
man.
basically I made that for like anyone who's not like a holder yet. Like whoever wants to repost any of my posts or like, just do a little extra support, I'll shoot you guys a code too, and for I think it's also 200 of those little coins, but yeah.
Oh, I see. Yes. Thank you, brother. I see it here. Yeah, I apologize.
Yeah.
My God, man. Yeah, no, I will for sure.
No, I've been busy too last night. I was trying to get back and freaking the kids were up late and I had to do another run out and whatnot, but
It's beautiful art. It's really, really nice art, man. Like,
here, yeah,
it's wild too.
I'll run through them real quick while I'm on the stream just so I
Yeah.
can show everybody again exactly what they look like, because I know like I was saying, the metadata isn't updated yet. It's a little annoying, but here's what they all look like. That's one, and that's the AI version of one. Yeah, it is pretty wild. Like I like how like these little like, oh Jesus Christ, that's time for me to go. Little like clusters have just like, I don't know, you can see like patterns in them, and it's all like systematic. It's neat. And that's 2. That's 3. And that's 4. The pentagons and the heptagons are okay, like, and they're neat, but I like the smaller shape count, like lower down here. Once you get to like those look a little more interesting because they're a little more pointy, like the 5-sided ones, and then even the 4-sided ones look a little better. Hold on, come on. There's 5. See, like that's a simple one. Complexity 3. It's a little more simple, but it still looks pretty sick. There we go. That's a 4-sided one. So like the squares make like diamond patterns like that. And then their AI interpretation. Oh, and the triangles. Yeah, the three-sided one. The triangles look sick too. Reminds me of like Zelda. But yeah,
Love it, man.
yeah.
Love
Thank you,
it.
thank you. Yeah, it's not. It really wasn't anything like super crazy, but like just the way that I kind of put the collection together and what I'm hopefully like wishing that the trading and collecting goes like decent so that people like search out their pairs and stuff and my again my main goal is to try to like foster these connections people to like meet other people on the blockchain and like like make the connections some of the connections that I've made and like meet some like amazing people like just possibilities are endless like,
Yeah, they really are, man. It's crazy it's crazy the group of people have been like assembled around this community and some of